Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to enable the flash for less feature on your iPhone. Do you want a clear way to notice calls and notifications on your iPhone? Well, with the latest iteration of iOS, you can now make both your screen and the camera's LED flash whenever an alert comes in. This visual cue is especially useful if you often keep your phone on silent, have difficulty hearing alerts, or simply prefer a bright, unmistakable notification. That said, let's get started. So, first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to choose the accessibility option. Then you have to head over to the hearing section and choose audio and visual option. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose flash for alerts. And then you have to ensure that the toggle for flash for alerts is enabled. After that, select LED flash, screen, or both, depending on your needs. Note that the last menu includes toggle switches so that you can control whether the flash happens when your device is unlocked, as well as if it should flash when in the silent mode. Now, select the preferred option and you're all set. So that's how you can easily turn on flash for alerts feature on your iPhone, including the new option to make your screen flash along with the camera LED. It's a pretty simple upgrade that delivers instant peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.